Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Jenkins CI slash CD architecture. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the architecture of Jenkins. Okay, so let's get started guys with the architecture of Jenkins. Okay, so there are 7 steps in this architecture. First is development, then commit, then build, then test, then stage, then deploy, then the production. So I'm going to explain each and every step. So please be concentrated, guys. This is really important concept of Jenkins. If you know this process, if you are clear with architecture, it will be really easy for you to work in Jenkins. Okay. Okay. So let's get started, guys, with architecture. There are 7 steps. Okay. Let's get started with the first. It's development. The developers will develop a feature. Okay. And then after completing the development of that feature, they will commit their code. Okay, and then they will build that code. Okay, they will build the latest war file or the latest jar file, and then they will test. Do the testing. They will test that. They will deploy that war or jar file in the application, and then they will test all the test cases. They will run all the test cases on the latest build. If those test cases is passed, then it will be built in the stage environment. Okay, and after deploying in the stage environment, okay, then it is deployed. Then the deployment is done on the production. Okay, these are all the steps. I'm going to explain you again. First, development. First, the developer will develop the new feature. Okay, and after completing the code for the new feature, developer will commit the code. Okay, then Git. If the developer is using Git, there is a feature of auto build in Git that if you have committed the code, it will automatically build. Okay, and after the successful build, there will be a new war file or the jar file. Okay, and then the application is deployed using the latest jar file or the war file, and then it runs all the test cases on that latest page. Okay, once the test cases is passed, then the latest build is deployed in a staging environment. Okay, then again there is some testing, and after complete testing done in a staging environment, then it is deployed in the production environment. Okay, guys, okay, have you understood this architecture? It's a round robin: development, then commit, then build, then test, then stage, then deploy, then it's live in the production. Okay guys, hope you have understood this concept. This is a really easy concept, 7 phase concept of Jenkins CI/CD. Okay guys, thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and do hit the subscribe button guys. Thank you guys. Let's meet up in the next video.